Lily was a bright-eyed, curly-haired little girl who lived in the quaint town of Everbrook. Surrounded by lush forests, sparkling streams, and enchanting hills, Everbrook was a paradise for anyone with an adventurous spirit. And Lily, with her insatiable curiosity and boundless energy, was the embodiment of adventure. However, Lily's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Thompson, were quite the opposite. They loved Lily dearly but were overly protective, always worrying about the dangers that might lurk around every corner. Mr. Thompson had a long list of rules to keep Lily safe.
Lily, my dear, you should never go too far from the house. Understand, my child, talking to strangers is not safe, and never ever even think about stepping inside the enchanted woods. I just want you to be safe.
The enchanted woods, the dense forest that bordered their town, were the subject of many local legends. Some said the woods were mystical, others whispered about hidden treasures and magical creatures. These tales only fueled Lily's desire to explore them, but her parents' fears kept her confined to the garden. Playing in the garden, she would often wonder what lies beyond those tall trees.
I wish I could go and explore those enchanted woods. I am sure there is so much to see.
One crisp autumn afternoon, Lily sat by her bedroom window, gazing longingly at the woods. The leaves were a tapestry of reds, oranges, and yellows, and the forest seemed to beckon her with its vibrant beauty. Her heart ached for an adventure, and she made up her mind. She would explore the Whispering Woods just this once and return before anyone noticed she was gone. With a sense of determination, Lily packed a small bag with essentials, a flashlight, some snacks, and her trusty map. She waited until her parents were busy in the garden, then slipped out the back door and made her way to the edge of the woods. Her heart pounded with excitement and a bit of fear, but she pushed forward, determined to see what secrets the forest held. As she ventured deeper into the Whispering Woods, Lily marveled at the sights around her. The forest was alive with sounds, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the gentle whispers of the wind. She followed a winding path that led her to a sparkling stream. She knelt by the water and noticed something shiny caught in the rocks. It was a small, intricately carved key. Curiosity piqued, Lily picked up the key and continued her journey. The path grew narrower, and the trees seemed to close in around her. Just as she began to worry she might get lost, she stumbled upon a hidden glade. In the center of the glade was a large, ancient oak tree with a door at its base. The door had a small keyhole, and Lily's heart skipped a beat. Could this be the key's purpose? With trembling hands, she inserted the key into the lock and turned it. The door creaked open, revealing a spiral staircase that descended into the earth. Taking a deep breath, Lily stepped inside and began her descent. The staircase led to a cozy underground room filled with glowing mushrooms, shelves of books, and curious artifacts. In the center of the room was a small, wooden chest. Lily opened the chest to find a collection of old maps, strange trinkets, and a leather-bound journal. She flipped through the journal and discovered it belonged to an explorer named Elara, who had written about her adventures in the Whispering Woods. According to the journal, Elara had found a hidden realm deep within the forest, a place where magic was real and fantastical creatures roamed. Excited by her discovery, Lily carefully packed the journal and maps into her bag and made her way back to the surface. As she emerged from the oak tree, she noticed the sun was beginning to set. She hurried back through the forest, her mind buzzing with the possibilities of future adventures. When she reached the edge of the woods, she was relieved to see her house in the distance. But as she approached, she saw her parents standing by the back door, worry etched on their faces. They rushed to her, hugging her tightly. They inquired about her whereabouts. Lily hesitated, then decided to tell them the truth. She described her journey into the Whispering Woods, the key, the hidden glade, and the underground room. She showed them the journal and maps, hoping they would understand her need for adventure. To her surprise, her parents listened quietly, their expressions softening. When she finished, her father knelt down and looked her in the eye.
Lily, we understand that you have a curious spirit, just like your grandmother Alara. We didn't want to tell you, but she disappeared in those woods years ago. We feared you might follow in her footsteps.
What are you saying, Dad? Grandma Lara was an explorer?
Yes, she loved adventures just like you. We were afraid of losing you too. But we realize now that we can't keep you from exploring the world. We'll just have to make sure you are prepared and safe.
From that day on, Lily's parents supported her adventures. They taught her survival skills, how to read maps, and how to stay safe in the wilderness. With their guidance, Lily continued to explore the enchanted woods, uncovering its secrets and writing her own stories of adventure. And so, Lily's life became a blend of exploration and safety, where her love for adventure was nurtured and her parents' fears were eased. She grew up to be a renowned explorer, just like her grandmother, inspiring others with her tales of the enchanted woods and the magic that lay within. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, give us a like and share. Subscribe to this channel for more such inspirational stories.